army unit on the spot of the moment if you say any or Aday the Kajalamba Potuda, Numituda Tango, the Kagi, Amado, naturalized and normalized or got border type, the car that Tamidu Kariginosin. See, a quite Niam Punamona psychology, the Masaya, I call Yavam Tokte. Please do not normalize and legitimize these illegal, unconstitutional, imaginary line based on communal identity. It is nothing you are supporting communal forces which want to destroy Manipur and divide Manipur on the basis of communal ideologies and communal identities. And I, as a member of parliament of a secular republic, as a member of parliament representing this place, is on my constituency, is unacceptable. Not only is sad, a saddening event, but it is unacceptable. And this will not be the last time that I will be requesting the authorities to allow me to enter that place and check. And I'm repeating it. I'm only asking for checking that Pagakjau Ikai Maka Lekai Katel, which is also called Gangbai Bazaar now. And that was not the last time. I'm saying it that we need to have a clarity about this. State security forces and legitimate forces in China must encourage the woman talking. Sab manana fuba lagi cases you. I went to the sport. Why did I go? I want to check it. Psychological barrier am to guy bam chang eba ko. Sport to chalurin. Adu the canal am like canal dugi chinglom thang basar the 300 meters power farmers in the tabak to go high. Officially, it was granted by officials. Disina Tokumal. Canal do gitching lom tangba 300 pound the shuba yai have a mapam do the subnataba. Canal do gison akan side the tangba. Adu the shuba adu manak the su security posam zulaiba. Barely few meters the Kasala Kana no my kappa no kadon de changa kappa no manning de changa no kappa no kamai chaka no ko the right to mean lesson na forensic evidence labra. Nungway marugi tahori member karam nungway makalno Canada belong tawi. Adu the lady ba post the nakamina sang go na bigi accountability malate bida ko siya. So panglay-lesson giba ngasi so MP na changa me na kangbu na sida ning mana sida judgment sida ning dab na kara ubag ay na tawi ba ko ni sangmam to ima changin to me kan so lerong mani. Ako tumin lesson laga di kaday da gila ka do no sini. Law uba mi do the changuraga if the incident talk we need to ask for accountability. Moigi forensic analysis to Brahma na changa amno kumain chang no jiki post like no hogi na kaino. Have you fixed responsibility to those troops? 2 minutes later drava ko. Kapa even no moy duna kana no moy ani lai hai moy duna kapa duna kana no moy no kapa duna. Sigi report se ko gi media me amno su investigative journalism to wirga amuk season bi hoy na I appeal to jani sinaw me amno sa ko lamdam si mas angatan. We need to investigate this, and I request our police department also to be officially come out with this detail of forensic analysis. So karay kapay marudo kaday deno distance maunda pali ba maru dugi karay lam kapak pano loin kang mangak ni forensic analysis ta huda. Buliad amat changi